Why does muscle pain after workout? Have you ever wondered why you feel sore after a workout? Today I will explain the science behind muscle pain and explore ways to reduce it. What is muscle soreness? Muscle soreness, also known as delayed onset muscle soreness, is the pain and stiffness you feel in your muscle after exercising. It's especially common when you try a new workout or increase the intensity. When you exercise, you cause micro tears in your muscle fibers. This leads to inflammation, which can cause pain and soreness. Later, protein that you consume from diet fuse with existing fibers increase fiber size. Later, muscle fibers adapt to increased load and stress. Now that we know what causes muscle soreness, let's explore ways to reduce it. First important thing is to do is rest and sleep, which is essential for muscle repair, and avoid exercising the same muscle multiple times in a week. Stretching and warm-up exercise is essential to avoid muscle sprain. Proper hydration before and during exercise. Take small amount of carbs and hour before, which supports the energy requirement of your workout. Common supplements that can enhance muscle growth and minimize soreness. Supplements. Protein powder supports muscle repair. Creatine reduce muscle fatigue. Branched chain amino acids, which is commonly known as BCAA, reduces muscle soreness. Omega-3 fatty acids, anti-inflammatory properties. Magnesium releases muscle and reduces soreness. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or tips, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.